How to disable filtering on Telegram. Hi everyone, I'm here to assist you today without any delay. Let's jump right in. First, open Chrome. In your Chrome browser, simply go to search bar. In the search bar, type in telegram.com and then click on Telegram web. After that, you'll find this kind of screen pop up. In here, add your country code, phone number, and log into your Telegram account. After you log into your account, you'll find this kind of screen pop up. Click on three lines at the top left corner of your screen. Then click on Settings. After you've clicked on Settings, you'll find this kind of screen pop up. In here, click on Privacy and Security. Scroll down in Privacy and Security and you will find Sensitive Content. In there, you'll find Disable Filtering. Simply click on it and there will be tick mark and you're good to go. This is how to disable filtering on Telegram. Thank you for joining me today. If this video helps you out, please leave a like and subscribe. For more, got a question or want to suggest a topic, comment below. Thank you for watching.